So students, if you are a student of class 8 who's going to give your final exams this year and will be moving to class 9th next year, then this video is for you. There's a big update for all of you. NCERT has released the revised draft syllabus for class 9th. तो अगर आप भी उन बच्चों में से हैं जो अपने बड़े भाई बहनों की NCERT लेकर अपने नेक्स्ट सेशन की तैयारी करते हैं, तो यहीं पे रुक जाना. That NCERT might not be completely relevant for you. Why? Because a lot of changes have been done in your class 9th revised syllabus. So in this video, we are going to look at all the changes and understand math, science, English और social में कौन-कौन से segments हैं जहाँ पे changes आए हैं. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, the draft syllabus of class 9 is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 में आपको मिलेगा syllabus of 4 languages, that is English, Hindi, Urdu and Sanskrit. Part 2 में मिलेगा syllabus of 3 main subjects, which is your maths, science and social science. Part 3 comprises your 4 curricular areas: individuals in society, vocational education, arts education and physical education and well-being. Like I said, in this video, we'll be looking at major changes in maths, science, social science and English. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं maths की. Total number of chapters हैं आपके 15. Earlier there were 12 chapters. Now in this new NCERT, some new chapters will be added, while some old topics have been retained but slightly modified. For example, polynomials की अगर मैं बात करूँ, आपका ये single chapter अब 2 chapters में divided है. Also, you will find topics from class 10th like AP, areas related to circles, pair of linear equations in 2 variables have also been included in class 9th curriculum. Even topic like GP, which is part of class 11th syllabus, has also been introduced in class 9th. Most importantly, from next session onwards, assessment in maths shall be conducted at 2 levels. पहला होगा आपका proficiency level, which will be mandatory for all. The second will be advanced level, but this is optional. Your new textbook will be designed to support both the levels of assessment. Now, moving on to science. Total number of chapters in science are 11. Earlier there were 12 chapters. However, in science you will find integrated disciplines of biology, chemistry, physics and earth science. ये earth science का section आपका separate section होगा, which will be an integration of all 3 subjects together. Now, if I talk about physics, you will have 4 chapters. Earlier you used to have 5 chapters, which means 1 chapter, that is gravitation, has been deleted. Some topics such as simple machines and their mechanical advantage, pulley, inclined plane, lever have also been added to chapter work and energy. और अब इस chapter को rename कर दिया गया है as work, energy and simple machines. अब बात करते हैं chemistry की. In chemistry, the total number of chapters are 3. Earlier there were 4 chapters. So which chapter has been deleted? Matter in our surroundings. This chapter is no more part of class 9th NCERT. Some new topics have also been added to each chapter, as you can see on your screen. Coming to biology, the total number of chapters are 4. Earlier there were 3 chapters. Improvement in food resources has been deleted and 2 new chapters, that is reproduction and diversity, have been added. Some new topics have also been added to chapters like cell and tissues, and here are the topics. So most importantly, science में emphasis मिलेगा आपको on application of all these concepts. अब आ जाते हैं social science पर. Total number of chapters are 16. Earlier there were 20 chapters, so you will find some reduction. एक introduction का new chapter add हुआ है, while history has 4 chapters, geography has 4 chapters, political science on the other hand has 3, and economics also has 4 chapters. In history, earlier the focus was on world history. However, the syllabus now begins with early human history and covers major development till 1200 CE. One thing to note here is that few topics of class 12th like Harappan culture, Bhakti tradition have also been introduced in class 9. So you should expect some major changes in history section. Now coming to geography. Earlier the major focus was on Indian physical geography. Now other topics have also been added like ocean relief, biomes distribution. Few topics of class 11th have also been introduced, such as plate tectonics, interior of Earth, composition of Earth. In political science, you will also notice a similar pattern that a few topics of class 11th, such as justice, authority, elections, have also been introduced, while in economics, practical knowledge of finance, which is budgeting, income tax, investment options, are the main focus area. Lastly, अब आ जाते हैं English section पे. You will find a completely new book called Kaveri instead of your Beehive and Moments books. So literature section is fully revised. However, grammar section still remains integrated. Most changes that you should hope to find are in your writing skill segments. New topics have been incorporated such as persuasive essays, literary analysis, research writing and creative writing has been retained. Letter writing kahin nahi jaane wala hai, still is part of your syllabus. However, other writing formats are given on your screen. So I hope with all these updates in your mind, you will now get ready for class 9, keeping in mind all the curriculum changes in advance. So, happy learning!